Hello all, I am Isaki Shweta and today I will be talking about the Groww Banking and Financial Services, NFO. So to begin with, let's give a clear introduction to Groww. So Groww is an initiative that was started by four former Flipkart employees who felt that Indian investment streams are complicated and by the result of which uh, with a country of 200 million people with investable income, only 20 million of those are investing right now. So this sparked an initiative in them to create a platform where it is easy to access and you can source your information and find out which is the best stream to invest in. And so this led to the growth of Groww. Um, so currently they have about 6.63 million customers. So that's how successful they are right now. Nextly, let's talk about the fund objective. So the objective of this fund is to invest in banking sector related funds, instruments. So they are mainly investing in BFSI instruments, and it will try to explore all the subsectors of the industry and also all of the connecting sectors of this industry. So this is done, and also to diversify the portfolio, they are planning to also invest 20% of the assets in companies other than banking and financial services. So they will also invest in IPOs and emerging markets, and the main focus is BFSI at the end of the day, but they will also invest in other streams just in case to diversify the portfolio. Nextly, let's see how we can invest in this fund. So the investment period will be 5 to 6 years. So what kind of people should be investing in this fund is the kind of people who are, ready to take on high risk, and they have, a time up to 5 or 7 years. So this is the, uh, a period in which you should invest in so that you can reap the benefits of the fund. And then the scheme will reopen for continuous sale and repurchase within 5 business days from date of allotment. And it also offers SIP and SWP to create a flexible investment plan. So the minimum investment for this scheme is 500, and for SIP it is 100. So there's no exit load as such for this investment. And the NFO period will last from 17th January to 31st January. So let's come to the tax benefits of this scheme. So for short-term capital gains, we get 15%, and for long-term capital gains, we get 10%. Let's take a look at the fund manager of this scheme. So it is Anupam Tiwari. So previously he worked as a fund manager in Axis Bank, and he successfully managed multiple funds. The number goes from 5+ schemes that he had worked on. So all of them were successful. And before this, he worked as a fund manager for Principal PNB Mutual Fund and Reliance Life Insurance Company. He was also the senior equity analyst at the Reliance Capital Asset Management Company Limited, and he is a chartered accountant as well. So this is a portfolio strategy, as we can see. So the instruments that are focused on in this strategy are equity and equity related instruments of the companies engaged in financial services sectors. So as I said, this will be the main focus of this scheme. So the allocation percentage is 80% to 100%, and the risk profile is very high. And next, they will invest in other equity related equity and equity related investment, which with the indicative allocation of 0 to 20%. So the risk again here is very high. And then they will also invest in debt and money market instruments for the percentage of 0 to 20%. The risk here is low to minimum. And they also plan on investing in units of REITs and ENBITs. So the percentage here would be 0 to 10%, and the risk is very high again. With that, I conclude my analysis for the Groww banking and financial sectors mutual fund.